Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video we have the Seneo 153 fast wireless charging stand. So this is a wireless charger. It's compatible with just about any QI wireless charging device such as an iPhone, Pixel 3, Samsung, anything like that, including any adapter that you use for wireless charging. In addition to that, it also acts as a stand that gives you a nice angle so you can read devices on this. I've used one of these at work before as a stand and wireless charger so that I could charge while reading things on my phone at the same time, so it worked great for that. All that for around $21 on Amazon, so check the link in the description to find that price. Let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. So it comes in a nice cardboard box, and I like that because you can recycle it. Take everything out here. Looks like we have some marketing material, user's manual, the power cable, so this is what powers the wireless charger. And as you can see, it's pretty standard, so it's going to be standard USB to micro USB. So if you lose this cable, you can just replace it with another one. And then we have the wireless charger here. Go ahead and remove it from this plastic. All right, this thing is nice and heavy duty. Does have some vents on top. I think that's going to be really good for heat displacement. A nice big wireless charging face, so you can fit just about any phone, including tablets that are enabled with wireless charging. So as you can see on the bottom here, we have some nice rubber grips, and this adds some stability if you have it on your table or desk, anything like that. In the back here, we have the micro USB charging port right here, so you just plug that in with more vents for heat displacement. And then on the front here, this is an LED light. And this LED light will tell you a lot of information about it, what's going on. So when you first power up the wireless charger, the green light right here will turn on for 3 seconds and it will turn off. That just lets you know that it actually got power. After that, when it's on standby mode, the light will be off. So once you actually use this for charging, while it's charging and once it's completed, it's going to show a green light right here. If that light is blinking, that means that there is something wrong with the charge, maybe with your phone or the device. It needs to cool down, or it means you're using a non-quick charger when you plug this in, so that could be causing problems with the wireless charging. So it's pretty cool. Out of one light, you get an idea if it's charging, if it has power, and also if there has been an error during charging. One quick tip, I've had other wireless chargers in the past, and if you do have any of those flashing errors, the first thing I do is replace the charging cable, because I found that these can die sometimes when you're using them with wireless chargers, so it's easy to quickly test that to see if that might be your issue. The plastic seems of high quality. It actually has a nice weight to it, so I think it'll be very stable on a desk or a table, and I don't think this will have any problem with heavier phones or large tablets, anything like that. So as a quick example, I'll put a Pixel XL right here on it. You can kind of see that it goes up to about 60% of the body, which is perfect for wireless charging because that's where you want it on your phone. You can also put your phone sideways if you're watching a video, anything like that, and it'll charge your phone while you're watching the video. So it works great as a stand as well. So now that we've taken a closer look at the Seneo fast wireless charging stand, let's go ahead and get it plugged in, and then we'll see how it works. So I'm going to plug it in. We should see the green light come on for 3 seconds. I don't see any lights coming on here. Make sure it's plugged in. Alright, so maybe the instructions are wrong there. It does say that in the instructions. Connected to power, the green light comes on, but it's not happening. Okay, so I tested this a couple times and I found that the light does come on, but it is very faint and it's kind of washed out with my filming lights here. So let me plug this in real quick and you can see the green light come on. There it is. So it looks cool, and this would not be too bright if you had it by your bedside. It turned off already, as the instructions say. So I really like actually that this light is not too bright, because I could use this as a bedside charger and I would not have any issues with it being too bright or keeping me up in the middle of the night. So now I'm going to put my phone on here and we should see that green light come back on. There we go. And this green light will stay on through the charging and also once it's finished charging. So now with the lights back on, I'll show you it actually charging it. So if I put it down, you can see that it is now saying charging right there on the bottom. Now I think it's important to point out that I do have a case on my phone. It's actually kind of a hard plastic. So I think that that's pretty encouraging that it was able to do the fast charging through that with no issue. Another thing I want to show is that you can put it in landscape mode like that, where it's sideways. Maybe you're watching a movie and it'll also begin the charge that way as well. So no issues with it being in landscape or portrait mode. And then as you can see, it is wireless charging right there, and I have it about a ½ an inch off of the actual charger. So really cool that it's able to charge with that amount of distance. I think that that's awesome. You could basically have any case on this and I think that it would be able to do the wireless charging. This seems to be a very powerful wireless charger. Alright, so that was the Seneo fast wireless charging stand. Overall, I really like this device. It is very well built seeming, with very thick plastic and also very nice grips on the bottom, and just seems sturdy. It holds my phone with no issue, and I've never had it topple over on me or anything like that. Another thing I like is that it's powered by simply a micro USB charging cable, and that means I can bring it on the go with me. I don't have to bring a special cable for it or a wall charger, and it also can be powered by just about anything, including my car's adapter. So really happy with that. The green light on the front, while it's faint during the day, that means it's not too bright at night where it's going to keep me up if I use it on my bedside. The speed of this charger is actually really good. It's not as fast as my Type-C charger, but it is almost as fast, and I've been using it for a couple days, and I really haven't seen an issue with it because it's so convenient just to leave my phone in there while I'm using it, that it charges it fast enough that I haven't seen any issue using this compared to my wall charger. If you have any questions about the Seneo fast wireless charging stand, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you already have one of these Seneo wireless chargers, leave your experience below because that might help people with their buying decisions. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description below so you can find this exact device on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.